10 amazing facts about Ulka Gupta. First, Ulka Gupta is a television and film actress from India. Second, Ulka was born in Mumbai, Maharashtra on 12th April 1997. Third, she finished her primary education at Mumbai's Rustomjee International School. Fourth, she got her first break in the serial Resham Dunk when she was only 8 years old in 2005. Fifth, following that, she portrayed Saloni's daughter in the Zee TV series Saath Fere. Sixth, she got her big break in 2009 when she played Manu in the Zee TV series Rani Lakshmibai. Seventh, Ulka made her film debut in 2015 as a Prashanti in the Telugu film Andhrapuri. Eighth, she made her Bollywood debut in 2016 as Riya Kapoor in the Hindi film Traffic. Ninth, she made Marathi debut with the film Od, The Attraction in 2018. 10th, she is seen in the main character of Bunny in the Star Plus serial Bunny Chow Home Delivery in 2022. Subscribe the channel.